Hello, this is Wiley from Learn to Barbecue. This video is the start of a whole series of videos based on the Weber Kettle. So we start with the assembly of a Weber Kettle Premium 22. It will be the test bed that all our future kettle videos will use. I have never done an unboxing before. I actually think they're pretty boring, but this is a Weber Kettle and it does come in a very nice box. It also comes with a 10-year warranty. Not bad for a $165 grill. Oh, and I did upgrade to the Premium. Where we live, there's a lot of wind, and the last thing I need is charcoal ash blowing all over my backyard. So here's the open box, and here's everything organized so we can build this grill. Weber has greatly improved their instructions, and I will reference the assembly guide as we go through the build. Also, Weber has all their assembly guides online, and all of them are in the PDF format for ease of printing. You only need two tools to assemble this grill: a hammer and a Phillips screwdriver. They supply everything else you need. Now let's start assembling this grill. The first two parts that go together are the lower bowl and the control base. Here's the bowl flipped over so we can mount the control base. Here is page 4 of the assembly guide. You now slide the lever into the slot on the side of the base. Now carefully line up the 3 tabs that just go inside the leg holes. When everything lines up, just push down and you will hear the base snap into place. Now we can put on the ash collector. This goes real easy. Just insert into base and then squeeze the handle till it locks into place. Now we move into the most challenging part of the build: the legs. This one here is the front leg, and it only has one hole at the end. Here is the bracket that secures the leg to the bottom of the bowl. Slowly insert bracket until the small knob comes out the hole. The knob should be free, so it will spring back into place when you push on it. Now you need to add the other 2 brackets to the other 2 legs. These 2 legs are identical, but they have 2 holes at the end, and each leg will use a different hole for the bracket. Now we start adding legs, and the first one is the front leg. The front leg hole is just right of the lever that is in the base. It also points at the handle that is on the bowl. Also, this leg is round and straight at both ends. Now the hard part. These legs do not go in easy. You also need to turn them so you can get the knob into the hole, so the leg can be secured. I did not use it, but WD-40 would have helped a lot. Now the next leg. Use the leg that has the knob in the hole on the left. Locate the leg hole that is just left of the lever in the base. And just like the first leg, insert and twist back and forth till the knob comes out the hole. Now, before we can add the third leg, we need to install the triangle that supports the legs and holds the wheels. Please note, this video shows the front leg not in the leg hole. I removed it to show you the triangle and how it attaches to the front leg. You should not remove the front leg and reference assembly page instead. So you know I got lucky, and the leg went back in without much of a struggle. Now you need to install the last leg, and make sure the triangle is properly attached to the leg. Insert triangle shaft into small hole on leg, and then insert leg into leg hole on bowl. Now it's time to install the wheels. Put wheels on wheel shaft, then hammer hubcaps until they are fully seated. When hammering, take small hits, for the hubcaps do not require a lot of pressure to go on. Now flip over grill and then repeat on the other side. With both wheels on, you just had to add the cap to the front leg, and now we can move on to the lid. It's looking pretty good. Oh, I almost forgot. We need to add the handle. Make sure the Weber is facing upright, and then sandwich the metal handle and insert the screw. You are screwing into plastic, so do not over tighten. With the handle done, now we can add the charcoal and cooking grates. One of the advantages of the Premier version is the hinged cooking grates. Almost done, just need to complete the lid. Here's the top handle that also has the heat shield. Here's the little wrench tool that you use to install the handle. You have to remove the nuts from the handle before installing it. When installing the handle, with the vent facing you, make sure the Weber reads upside down. Using nuts and wrench tool, install handle. Now we need to install the thermometer. The thermometer and its housing have small notches that need to line up. There is also a small notch in the cover that will allow you to center the thermometer with the lid. Secure the thermometer by using the wing nut that came with it. Again, do not over-tighten. When looking at the thermometer, you can now see the Weber name is the correct way on the handle. Here is the finished grill. Now it's time to go find some charcoal and find something to cook. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe.